So today's lab we will working with EBS. This is Amazon EC2 instance. It is attached with Amazon Elastic Block Store, which is EBS volume, and we can create a snapshot from this one. This lab focuses on Amazon Elastic Block Store, Amazon EBS. So the key understanding storage mechanism for Amazon EC2 instances. We will learn how to create an Amazon EBS volume, um, attached to an instance, apply a file system to the volume, and then take a snapshot for backup. So we will cover here, create an Amazon EBS volume, attach and mount the volume to an EC2 instance, create a snapshot of the volume, create a new volume from that snapshot, attach and mount the new volume to the EC2 instance. So, Amazon Elastic Block Store, Amazon EBS, offers persistence storage for Amazon EC2 instances. Amazon EBS volumes are network attached and persist independently from the life of an instance. Amazon EBS volumes are highly available, highly reliable volume that can be leveraged as an Amazon EC2 instance's boot partition or attached to a running Amazon EC2 instance as a standard block device. When used as a boot partition, Amazon EC2 instances can be stopped and subsequently restarted, enabling to pay only for the storage resources used while maintaining your instance's state. Amazon EBS volumes offer greatly improved durability over local Amazon EC2 instant stores because Amazon EBS volumes are automatically replaced on the back end in a single availability zone. For those wanting even more durability, Amazon EBS provides the ability to create point-in-time consistent snapshot of our volumes that are then stored in Amazon Simple Storage Service, Amazon S3, and automatically replicated across multiple availability zones. These snapshots can be used as the starting point for new Amazon EBS volumes and can protect our data for long-term durability. We can also easily share this snapshot with co-workers and other AWS developers. So this lab guide explains basic concepts of Amazon EBS in a step-by-step fashion. However, it can only give a brief overview of Amazon EBS concept. So there is some EBS volume features. This is persistent storage. Volume lifetime is independent of any particular Amazon EC2 instance. General purpose Amazon EBS volumes are new, unformatted block devices that can be used from any operating system. High performance Amazon EBS volumes are equal to or better than local Amazon EC2 drives. High reliability Amazon EBS volumes have built-in redundancy within an availability zone. Designed for resiliency. The AFR annual failure rate of Amazon EBS is between 0.1% and 1%. Variable size, volume size range from 1 GB to 16 TB. Easy to use. Amazon EBS volumes can be easily created, attached, backup, restored, and deleted. So now we will start the lab. First, we will create a new EBS volume. So first we'll go to the EC2 instances, choose the instances. So those is instant there is lab and bastion host, and availability zone is US East 1A, US East 1A. So we'll go to the volumes. Volume set one has 8 GB, another one has 9 GB. So now I create volume type, general SSD, GP2, size, only 1 GB, availability zone resist 1A, tag, add tag, key is name, and value is volume. Create volume. So new volume is created. This is my volume, 1 GB. So now I will attach the volume to an instance. Select my volume. Then there's the description of this volume, details, status check, monitoring, tag, name my volume. So in the action, I will go for the attach volume. I will attach this volume with lab instance. So note that the device name is set to dev SDF. Notice also the message displayed that newer Linux kernel may rename your devices to dev xbdf through dev xbdp internally, even when the device name entered here and shown in the details dev /hdf through dev -sdp. So attach the volume. The volume stat should be in use. Now I will connect to the Amazon EC2 instance. So EC2 instances, lab instance, connect, connect. Yes. An EC2 instance connect terminal session opens here. Then I will create and configure the file system. So now I will see the available instances for this one, DFH. So these are the available file systems. So the file shows the original BGB JF slash XBDA1 disk volume mounted at slash, which indicates that it is the root volume. It hosts the Linux operating system of the EC2 instance. The 1 GB other volume that you attach to the lab instance is not listed because you have not yet created a file system on it or mounted the disk. Those actions are necessary so that Linux operating system can make use of the new storage space. We will take those actions next. So now I will create an extension 3 file system on a new volume. So the sudo mkfs minus xt3 sdf. So this output should indicate that a new file system was created on the attached volume. Yes, so just creating the file systems done. Now I need to create a dictionary for mounting the new storage volume. So mount the new volume. To configure the Linux instance to mount this volume whenever the instance is started, we need to add a line to etc/fs tab, run the command below to accomplish that. Echo dev sdf mount data store extended defaults no time 12 sudo 3 tab. So this is a command. This is the echo. It will print this. So it will print this. It will print this. So view the configuration file to see setting on the last line. View the storage again. D A H. So in the last line, the output is this one. The XDTF 6K to 1% MNT data store, which is a new mounted volume. So the new mounted volume, create a file and then some text to it, like so. If I want to see that text, so this is the text. Some text has been written. Now I will create an Amazon EBS snapshot. For this one, I need to create a snapshot of EBS volume. We can create any number of point in time consistent snapshot from Amazon EBS volumes at any time. Amazon EBS snapshots are stored in Amazon S3 with high durability. New Amazon EBS volumes can be created out of snapshots for cloning or restoring backups. Amazon EBS snapshots can also be easily shared among AWS users or copied over AWS regions. For this one, we need to go EC2, choose volumes, select my volume, action, create a snapshot, add tags, tag name, my snapshots, snapshots. It is creating, it is in the pending status. It will, the status is now pending, which means that the snapshot is being created. It will then change to the state of completed. So only used storage blocks are copied to snapshots. So empty blocks do not occupy any snapshot storage space. Now this is completed. Now I will delete. Now I will delete the file that I created on my volume. So now I will verify if that data is deleted. Deleted this. It is called lost and found, lost plus found. Uh, in this step, I will restore the Amazon EBS snapshot. I wish to retrieve data stored in a snapshot. We can restore the snapshot to a new EBS volume. So create a volume using the snapshot. So I need to go to the EC2 instance here. Select the snapshot. This one is my snapshot. In the action menu, create mm, create volume from snapshot. Availability zone. EBS list 1A. Add tag. Name. Value. Restore. Volume. Then create the volume. This is the restore volume available. Now I will attach the restored volume to my EC2 instance. So this is the volumes. Select the restore volume. Action attached volume. Instances lab. Now in use. Mount the restored volume. Mount the new volume. Verify that the volume mounted has the file that we created earlier. Yes, it shows file.txt. So this is for today's lab. Thank you so much.